channel call. So I guess I'd be changing my call sign from John Shaft C7 Corvette to John Shaft C8 Corvette. But still, it's gonna be a while because the 06 ain't even been manufactured yet. It's just still talking to make it. We just have to be patient. Wait on GM. Catch up with the orders that's already in the system. There are a lot of, as I stated in previous videos, they just want to give out about 42,000 vehicles a year, and they only have given out so far 16,000. And when this vehicle was first announced that they was going to manufacture a mid-engine, they had like 3 million orders already sold out. So, I don't know how many they have now, but they still got a whole lot of catching up with them. And still, we looking at probably about a year and a half before we are able to go to a dealership and pick yourself up on these vehicles from the dealership inventory. So it's gonna be a while so we're able to do that. But from what I understand, you don't want to do it like that anyway. You want to get your own car, for your own colors, and, whatever color you want. You want it personalized. What you want on it. The options and whether you want a LT1 or LT2 or LT3. You want to get the color options that you want on the vehicle. I much rather do it like that than go pick something else or fleets or somewhere. That way it has everything on it that I want on it. They have high performance exhaust, magnetic ride control, and high wing spoiler, and the front end lift. And I want the LT3 model with the GT3 seats. That's the high seats that actually keep you in place when you're driving the vehicles. Of course, those seats that cost a lot more money than they I think you can get carbon fibers though. Even if you get a GT2 two seats, but I know you can get GT3. John Shaft is my C7 Corvette channel. As you hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm doing an upload. And I hope you guys enjoyed this ride with me in the Corvette. And I'll see you again in the next video. Hope you guys have a safe, enjoyable work week. Stay safe from this pandemic. Again, thank you for watching.